Hello, this is Nikki in Niagara coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada. And this is a look at the book Funky Monkeys, Playful Primates to Color and Display, illustrated by Deborah Muller. This belongs to the series Zendoodle Coloring by Castle Point Books. And the back gives a description of the book. There are 60, it says over more than, over more than, okay. I think there's 62 pictures in here. And it shows us some other books in the series and one picture from the book. Oh, sorry. So, let's take a flip. So all Zendoodle coloring books follow the same format. And first we have a title page. Well, we have an introduction page. And it's colorable, as is the other books in the series page. And the title page has an illustration on it as well. This book is an original, published in 2018. Now the paper's quite nice in these books. I think you're probably looking at about the same, if not just a little bit better, than Creative Haven. It may be a little bit smoother though. This book, the shape of it is a little bit shorter than an average sized book. I'll just show you that. Here's your average sized coloring book. And it is the same width, and it's that much shorter. Actually, it's a quarter of an inch wider and that much taller. The pages are single-sided. The backs are clean white. The pages are always perforated. And Zendoodle is known for having bold line art, which you can see very well in these pictures. The books are a little bit more expensive than, say, Creative Haven books, but we have to remember that there is more than twice the amount of pages. This is Deborah Muller, and while her style for Zendoodle differs from that of her personal publishing house, we still can detect this as Deborah's art, and the animals are the same styles that she draws. This is a fun book. I like this one. A variety of scenes and poses. There's a bit of Zendoodle in here, but one has to remember that you can certainly color all the flowers and leaves going on in this gorilla's arms, but you can also just color it straight, normal color, and have that show through as a design or pattern. Oh dear, that one just made me laugh. I haven't done a complete flip through of this book until now. Well, one thing I also notice is that all the pictures are framed in here, which I always appreciate. It stops us having to imagine where the picture ends or having to color off the page. Also, it prevents any picture from going in the gutter. the book ends with like that. So once again, this is Funky Monkeys by Deborah Muller, a part of the Zendoodle coloring series.